Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. Let's talk about money and elections, but maybe not in the way you think. Joining us now by phone is Manuel Funke. He's an economist at the Free University of Berlin, and he recently took a look at how financial crises tend to impact voting. Manuel, do you find that after financial crises, voters tend to lean more toward extreme speech?
Yes, we investigated over 800 elections over the past 140 years in industrial countries, and our results clearly pointed to the direction that voters tend to the right more than to the left in the, say, 5 to 10 year aftermath of a systemic financial crisis.
And also, if I understand correctly from your paper, and they like to maybe not assign blame themselves, but they do like to vote for people or trend to vote for people that assign blame.
Right, and that's because it's for the average voter, it's maybe an easier solution to put the blame for domestic problems on immigrants than to tackle the system via, say, redistribution or things like that. So it may appear, the solution of the right may appear easier in that situation.
So there's a lot of people here in the United States, Manuel, who after the election have said, how could this have happened? You know, obviously there's more that many that voted for Trump, but those on the left would wonder, how did this happen? You would say to them, you knew it was going to happen because 140 years of history said that after things like the Great Recession, this was not necessarily natural, but at least there's historical precedent, correct?
It's simply that 100 years of data show us that this is a tendency. The voters go more to the right than to the left. So one could have seen it coming, yes.
What else did your research uncover?
In addition, we uncovered that the amount of open protest in the street increases in the aftermath of financial crisis. In addition, in Europe, in the multi-party system, there emerge new extremist parties. And we also found that the support for it doesn't matter if it's the incumbent or the newly elected government, does decrease in the crisis aftermath compared to a normal situation.
Manuel Funke, the Free University of Berlin, with a really interesting study on elections post-financial crises. I know it is available also on the website, so you can Google his name and find that. Manuel, thank you for joining us on Trading Nation.
Thank you. Happy to be on the show. Bye-bye.
Thank you. And folks, thank you for tuning into Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. We'll see you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.